Welcome to Natural Earth Living. If you're into natural healing, wild foods, and sustainable living, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into a wild, powerful plant that's probably growing somewhere near you right now, and might even have stung you a time or two. Yep, I'm talking about stinging nettles. Stinging nettles may not look like your typical healing herb, but trust me, this humble plant is loaded with benefits, from rich nutrition to herbal medicine to eco-friendly uses. Let's get into it. Stinging nettle, or Urtica dioica, is a perennial wild herb found in many temperate climates. It's called stinging for a reason. Its leaves and stems are covered in tiny hairs that release formic acid when touched. That's what causes the sting. But here's the magic. Once nettles are dried, cooked, or steeped, the sting completely disappears and you're left with one of nature's most powerful healing plants. Let's talk nutrition. Nettles are packed with iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin A, C, and K. Protein, yep, plant-based protein. And chlorophyll, which is incredible for detoxing your body. Whether you're plant-based, iron deficient, or just looking for a natural energy boost, nettles have your back. So what can nettles do for your body? A lot. Let's break it down. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Helps with arthritis, joint pain, and muscle soreness. 2. Natural diuretic. Supports kidney function and detoxification. 3. Allergy relief. Reduces hay fever symptoms thanks to its natural antihistamine properties. 4. Supports skin health. Great for eczema and acne when used topically or internally. 5. Balances hormones and supports women's health, especially helpful for PMS and menopause symptoms. You can drink it as tea, make a tincture, or use nettle-infused oils for external healing. So simple, so powerful. Let me show you how I make one of my favorite everyday detox drinks, nettle tea. Scoop 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry nettle leaves into a tea strainer. Pour over hot, not boiling, water. Let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a slice of lemon or a bit of honey if you like. This tea is earthy, nourishing, and so grounding. Nettles are totally edible and delicious. Just like spinach but with way more nutritional value. Nettle soup with potatoes, onions, garlic, and broth. Nettle pesto with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and seeds, nuts. Add to smoothies for a green boost. Once you cook nettles, the sting disappears and they're tender, tasty, and packed with plant power. If you want to harvest nettles yourself, here's what you need to know. Always wear gloves. Use scissors to snip the top 4 to 6 inches of young plants. Choose plants away from roads or sprayed areas. Harvest in early spring for the most tender leaves. And yes, you can totally grow nettles at home. They love shady, moist spots and will come back year after year. Nettles aren't just good for your body. They're amazing for the planet. Historically, nettles were used to make fabric and rope, and today people use them for natural compost tea for gardens, biodegradable fibers for eco-friendly textiles, even dyeing fabrics naturally. Another reason to love this wild, wonderful plant. So, next time you see a patch of stinging nettles, don't just walk by. Say thank you to one of the most powerful plants in the wild. Whether you're drinking it, eating it, or using it to nourish your garden, nettles are the ultimate symbol of nature's healing power. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite way to use nettles, or your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to Natural Earth Living for more holistic health and natural living tips. I've got some amazing videos coming up. Stay rooted, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next one.